Hello friends, welcome to Crochet World. Today in this video, I am going to share you some tips and tricks about how to make a standard coffee table for your home decor. So let's get started the video. Number 1. Materials and tools. Choose wood that matches your decor and it is sturdy enough for a table. Common choice include oak, pine and maple. Basic tool like a saw, drill, scenery, sandpaper, wood glue and varnish or paint for finishing. Number 2. Design and dimensions. Standard coffee table are typically around 18 to 20 inch in height, which complements most seating arrangement. Consider the size of your seating area to determine the ideal length and height for the table. Aim for proportions that are visually appealing and functional. Number 3. Construction steps. Cutting. Measure and cut your wood according to your chosen dimensions for the tabletop and legs. Assembling. Use wood screen and wood glue to assemble the tabletop and leg security. Reinforcement. Add branch to corner backs for additional stability, especially using heavy wood. Number 4. Finishing touches. Sanding. Smooth all surface with sandpaper to remove touch edge and create a polished finish. Staining or painting. Apply a stain or paint of your choice to match your home decor style. Ensure to let it dry completely before use. Protective finish. Apply clear variants or polythene coat to protect the wood and ensure the durability. Number 5. Customization. Add personal touches like a decorative trim, a glass top, or a strong shelf under a stick. Consider adding wheels for mobility or adjusting the height for valency. Number 6. Safety and durability. Ensure all joints are secure and stable. Use appropriate safety gear with handling tools and materials. Choose finishers that are durable and easy to maintain. Number 7. Once complete, place your coffee table in a certain location in your living room or lounge area. Style it with book, decorative trees or plants to enhance its visual appeal. Thank you for staying with me. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.